Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Hyundai Accent rear bumper. First, ensure you have a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool ready. Safely lift the rear of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. Next, you will need to locate and remove the two screws that secure each rear wheel well liner. This initial step provides access to hidden fasteners. Now, let's move on to the main fasteners. You'll find 4 plastic clips along the top edge of the bumper. Use your trim removal tool to pop these out. Next, look underneath the vehicle's rear and unscrew the two 10mm bolts. Finally, carefully detach the 2 side clips that connect the bumper to the car's body. Take your time to avoid damaging the paint. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: for all your car manuals and other reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the garage. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With all fasteners removed, you can now gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Start from one side and work your way across, ensuring all clips are free. If your Accent has rear lights or sensors, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors before fully detaching the bumper. Once free, place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to prevent any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.